In this tutorial, we'll be learning on mux, that is, in mux we'll be having the case of 2 power n inputs. That means any input can be of the form, say 2 cross 1. That means 2 is the number of input, 1 is the number of output. What is 2? That means in a circuit I have 2 inputs. If I have 2 inputs, my select line will be log 2 base 2 ka power 1. Since for 2 power n inputs I have n select lines, that means the how the output has come as n, that is log 2 base 2, that log 2 base 2 is 1. So my select lines is n. Log 2 base 2 power n is my number of select lines. I'll write it as 2 power n is the input, log 2 base on the given input is my select line. So in this case n. Similarly, if there is one input, that is one select line, I'll be having two inputs. Or you can say if there are two inputs, there will be one select line. And output for mux is always equals to 1. Say this is my select line A. A can have either two values, 0 or 1. If it is 0, say this is I naught input and this is I1 input. If the select line is selected as 0, my corresponding output when A equals to 0 implies I naught. When A equals to select line is 1, then my output will be I1. Let me try to construct A dot B using 2 cross 1 mux so that it will be familiar how I am designing the circuit. That is, I will be having 4 cases. Output will be 0, 0, 0, 1. So as I have 2 inputs and one select line, let the select line be A. So A can have two values, either 0 or 1. See, if A is 0, my output, if I see it, is nothing but 0 and 0. So I will be writing it as 0. If A is 1, I can see the output as 0, 1. And 0, 1 is nothing and it's following to the input B. So I will be writing it as B, which signifies the output as A. When the select line, that is A, is made as 0, my output is 0. As you can see, when input A is 0, my output is 0. And when input is A is selected as 1, if A is 1, my output is nothing but equals to B. So this is the way how you design A dot B. So output is A dot B using AND gate. Let me design the same, but it will be for OR gate, that is A plus B. So the input should be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. My output will be nothing but 0, 1, 1, 1. So how will I drawing it? Say as that A will be my select line, my inputs will be 0 and 1. If A is made as 0, my input is nothing but 0, 1, that is following to B. And if the input A is made 1, my output is nothing but 1. So this is my output and the result will be A plus B. This is the way how we use 2 cross 1 mux in order to design A plus B, A dot B. Any of the gate can be made using mux. Now on dealing with what is how it is different from 4 cross 1 mux. 4 cross 1 mux will have, say, 4, as the name says, 4 cross 1, that means output is 1 having 4 inputs. If their inputs are 4, how many select lines will be there? We can easily calculate it as log 2 base 4. Log 2 base 4 is nothing but 2 square. So this 2, using property of log 2, will be over here. It will be log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2 is nothing but 1. So the answer is 2. That means suppose I have the inputs A and B. I'll be drawing the same 4 cross 1 mux for AND gate. Let me check what is the difference between 2 cross 1 mux. So it will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Output is nothing but 0, 0, 0 and 1. So if I am selecting it as 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, as two select lines are there, so I will be having total number of cases as 4. See, if 0, 0 corresponding, I'll just write the input as 0, 0, 0 and 1. That means if the select line is made as 0, 0, my output should be nothing but 0. If the select line is made as 0, 1, my output should be connected to 0. If it is 1, 0, again the output should be connected as 0. And if it is 1, 1, my output should be 1. So this is how I design A dot B using 4 cross 1 mux. Now the question would be, can we design 4 cross 1 mux using 2 cross 1 mux? The answer is yes. Let me show you how. Say I have 4 cross 1 mux, that is the total of inputs for this will be 4. Now two select lines, say the select lines are A and B and the output is 1. In 2 cross 1 mux, as you know, the total number of inputs will be 2 and the select line will be 1 and the output will be 1. As I need to design 4 cross 1 mux, that means minimum number of mux, 2 mux, I need to use it as 2. Why? In order to design 4 number of inputs. So let me give the same select line. Now as you can see, the output I am getting as 2, but I for mux 4 cross 1 mux, the output is 1. So what I will do is I will take the output generated from mux 1 and mux 2 as the input for mux 3 with another select line, and this will be my output. That implies, say this is select line A, this is select line B, and these are my inputs, say I0, I1, I2 and I3, and this is my output Y. Similarly, let it be I0, I1, I2 and I3, and this is my output Y. As you can see, I have 4 inputs in both the cases, that are I0, I1, I2, I3, 2 select lines A and B, and 1 output. So this is how we design 4 cross 1 mux using 2 cross 1 mux. Let me similarly show how we can design 8 cross 1 mux using 2 cross 1 mux. So for 8 cross 1 mux, as you can see, the total number of inputs will be 8. So I will draw the 8 inputs. If the inputs are 8, log 2 base 8, that means log 2 cube. So 3 will be my select line. So let this be select lines and I will be having one output. Now my question is how I can design using 2 cross 1 mux. So as you can see, for 2 cross 1 mux, the total number of inputs we can provide is 2. So in order to generate for 8 inputs, I need to use 4 2 cross 1 mux. So I will be drawing 4 2 cross 1 mux. So it will be something like this. Let me have a common select lines for all these given selected inputs. So output will be 1 1 1 and 1. So I will be having 4 different outputs. Again, for the 4 different outputs, what I will do is I will use a 2 cross 1 mux over here. That is how I will connect it, is like something like this. And say this have another select line that is being sorted for this 2 mux. And finally, the output from this mux and output from this mux, I will be connecting as the input for this. So as you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, these are my 8 inputs. These are my 3 select lines, say A, B and C. Similarly A, B and C, and this is my one output and this is my one output. This is the way how we designed 8 cross 1 mux using 2 cross 1 mux. Hope this tutorial is clear to you all. Thank you.